G'day and welcome to Working the Owl's Eye Surround with Jenny Brandis. The owl pattern is number 5 in the series of 6 from the pattern of month number 9. It is worked in cross stitch with sewings joining the iris as we go. After working the left iris, then the right iris, it is time to start the surround between them. The weaver and a passive pair on the right pin, a single pair in the centre and 2 passive pairs on the left. Cross stitch the weaver pair through the 4 passive pairs. Add 2 twists and put up the pin before cross stitching back to the right. Add 2 twists, join with the sewings, 2 twists and cross stitch back to the left. Repeat the 2 twists, sewings and cross stitch. Add 2 twists and continue in cross stitch and sewings. Lengthen the thread leave on the weaver pair so I don't get them mixed up with the passives, and continue with cross stitch and joinings. To work the joinings on this pair, lift the pin out of the way. Insert the Lazy Susan into the exposed loop towards the incoming pair. Use a pin to hook the Lazy Susan thread and draw out a loop. Lay aside the Lazy Susan. Lengthen the lead thread on the bobbin closest to the pinhole and insert the bobbin tail first through the loop. Pick up and gently pull the Lazy Susan threads to draw the loop back along with the bobbin thread, forming a loop with that. Remove the Lazy Susan and lay it aside. Hold the bobbin thread loop and carefully pass its pair through the loop. Extend the pair out to the side and ease the loop down to the pinhole, making sure not to loop around any of the pins like I just did. Jiggle the threads to force the join to the pinhole. Add 2 twists, shorten the leads and continue on. Replace the joining pin to hold the threads in place. Continue to the area where the right sides join. In my enthusiasm, I forgot to press record. Okay, follow the curve around to the left, missing the pin at the top of the bag. Starting here, let's do the sewings here and add 2 new pairs. Put up the pin, add a new pair open under the weaver pair. Slide it up to the pin and lay aside. Repeat, open, slide and lay aside. Continue adding 2 pairs at each of those pins. We will start again at the top of the nose. Do the last sewings for the left iris and work across the brow area using sewings in the start pins. Continue around the right iris, adding pairs across the bottom and rejoin the work at the centre. Lay the 2 right pairs aside to form the bag. With all the others, leave 20 centimetres or 8-inch lengths of thread to be sewn in after being taken off the pillow.